Welcome to Doony Kids.
Today we will learn about some name of flowers. Which flower is this? This is called rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Which flower is this? This is called lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. Which flower is this? This is called marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Which flower is this? This is called jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Which flower is this? This is called daffodil. D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L, daffodil. Which flower is this? This is called lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Please press the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more educational videos. Which flower is this? This is called hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Which flower is this? This is called sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Which flower is this? This is called tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Which flower is this? This is called orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. Which flower is this? This is called chamomile. C-H-A-M-O-M-I-L-E, chamomile. Which flower is this? This is called dahlia. D-A-H-L-I-A, dahlia. Which flower is this? This is called water lily. W-A-T-E-R, water lily. L-I-L-Y, water lily. Which flower is this? This is called periwinkle. P-E-R-I-W-I-N-K-L-E, periwinkle. Which flower is this? This is called Datura. D-A-T-U-R-A. Datura. Which flower is this? This is called Calendula. C-A-L-E-N-D-U-L-A. Calendula. Which flower is this? This is called coxcomb. C-O-C-K-S C-O-M-B. Coxcomb. Which flower is this? This is called poppy. P-O-P-P-Y. Poppy. Which flower is this? This is called aster. A-S-T-E-R. Aster. Which flower is this? This is called gladiolus. G-L-A-D-I-O-L-U-S. Gladiolus. Which flower is this? This is called iris. I-R-I-S. Iris. Which flower is this? This is called anemone. A-N-E-M-O-N-E. Anemone. Which flower is this? This is called camellia. C-A-M-E-L-L-I-A. Camellia.